Oops.
I'm not sick anymore.
Is this the pink packet?
Yep, pink packet. We are on the second lesson. We're going to do surface area, pyramids, and cones.
I want you to try to write with this.
Anyone else need a pencil? No?
Thank.
Here you go, sir. Can anyone remind me what surface area is?
Like the area of the surface.
The area of the surface, yeah, that's
Pretty much.
basically it.
Pretty much.
Yep, you're gonna find all your sides, the area of them, and add them up. Pretty much. All right, a few new things with pyramids and cones. For the most part, when you have a pyramid, your base shape is always going to be a regular polygon, meaning right, all your sides are the same length and all those angles. There it is. Okay. No matter what your base shape is on a pyramid, what is always your lateral area? What shape? Triangles. What specifically? What kind of triangles? Not right.
Equilateral.
Not equilateral.
Isosceles.
Okay, very good.
I was not
Isosceles. So this is the only confusing part with pyramids, folks, is the altitude or height of your pyramid is inside it, right? It goes from the vertex down to the base in the middle and you can't see it. Right here. But now there's something called a slant height. And that's the height of your lateral face, like this triangle here. When you find the area of your lateral triangular face, you need the slant height. Does that make sense? Whereas the height of the pyramid is inside, like my pen. That's the height of the pyramid. Whereas the purple line is the slant height. Does that kind of make a connection there? The slant height. And then we also name our pyramids by their base shape. So if you look at this one here, what's our base shape? It would be a square just because we're calling them regular polygons. So a square pyramid. Okay, super. We're going to start with the hardest kind of pyramid and get easier, okay? The first one's the most tricky. All right, find the surface area of our regular pyramid. What's our base shape here, folks? Hexagon. You guys remember how to find the area of a hexagon?
30-60.
You are so something under something.
30 on the top and 60 on the bottom.
Okay, let's find this angle. Landon kind of already told us what do we do to find that angle. 360 divided by 6 is 60. Divided by 2 is 30. What would this length be? 2.5. And then our height? 2.5 or 3, but just since we're kind of working with decimals, what is that? 2.5 times
Most likely like 5.
Which one is it? 4.5 or 4.3?
4.3.
I agree. That's right, 4.5. So our base area, 1/2 perimeter. What's the perimeter of that hexagon?
Solid.
30. Our apotham's 4.3. Let us know let me know what you get. Words are hard today. Holy. 64.5.
Yeah.
Okay, now our lateral area is what kind of a shape? Triangle. Do we know the base of our triangle? 5. What's the height of our triangle?
8.
And how many all the way around?
6.
6, right? So it's a hexagon? Type it in.
20 times 6. 20 times 6. 20 divided by 2 times
120.
6.
Oh, I got it. I heard that.
You take times 6?
Yeah, I got to do that.
Yeah, it's 120.
120.
Oh, plus this, yeah.
So our total surface area is what? 184.5 centimeters.
Hey, there's no eraser on this. He scanned me. Where's the eraser?
Hey fellas, see, this is why we can't sit where we want during notes. Can we just focus, right? Focus. Okay, now we have an equilateral triangular pyramid with a base edge of 6 and a slant height of 8. So when we don't have a picture, just draw your base shape, okay? It's an equilateral triangle. That's the bottom of our pyramid. We know that all of our sides are the same when it's equilateral. What are our angle measures? 60. Okay. We have a base edge of 6, but we don't know our height, right? But we can draw it in.
What's a slant height?
We'll get to the slant height in a second. What's this angle up here?
30.
30. And this guy is 3. How do we find our height now? If our short side's 3. 3 root 3. What's that as a decimal?
5.2.
5.2. So our base area is just a triangle. Half. What's the base length? 6. And our height is 5.2. Tell me what you get. 15.6. Now our lateral area is just a triangle, right? Our base is still 6, and then our slant height is 8. So we have everything we need. Half 6 times 8. And how many triangles all the way around?
6. No. 3.
3, because our base is a triangle.
21.
I don't know.
Yeah, 72.
I get 72.
I get 70.
What's our total surface area? 87.6 feet.
It's chopped off.
Oh, we just used to add them.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
We can wait.
No, we're good.
You're good?
Yeah.
All right.
You just go.
Well, I know, but I can't talk over everybody. And then who's that helping if I'm talking over people? It's not helping people who are quiet. It's not helping people who are talking. So we just wait. Okay. Square pyramid. So this guy looks like, right? Square bottom. The base edge of 12 and a height of 16. Draw your base shape. It's a square with a base edge of 12. How do you find the area of a square? That's an easy one. What is that?
24.
Very good. No divide by 2 because it's a square, right?
No, I'm talking about the triangle.
Okay, but here though, this is where you gotta pay attention. This is the height. Does it say slant height?
No.
So what they told us was the one invisible to us inside our pyramid. And we gotta find that purple one, the slant height.
Isn't it just,
Yeah, Pythagorean theorem. Give you a little visual here. So our height is 16. Okay, but careful, folks.
6.
So if this is the middle, it goes out. So it's not 12, it's 6. Now find your slant height. Yep, Pythagorean theorem. What'd you get?
17.1.
That sounds like a really familiar answer. I agree. Now we can take half. What's the base of your side for the triangle? 12 times your slant height of 17.1. How many triangles all the way around? Times 4. Figure that out. 410.4. So then our total surface area is what?
Maybe like 124.4.
I got like 500. Am I wrong?
Oh yeah.
Dang.
All right, flip it when you're ready.
He dropped his AirPods 3 times. Water bottle once. And then like do it again, and you can water back.
Okay, moving on to a cone. This is the net of a cone, what it looks like when you unfold it. What's your base shape? Circle. How many circles are there? 1. How do you find the area of a circle? Pi r squared. That's your base area. And then the lateral area, pi r L. L is your slant height. I'll move in just a second here. Base area, lateral area. L is your slant height.
Well, that's
It's like a cursive L. You can use a regular L, but remember that's the from the vertex to the outside of your. But you guys like cones and cylinders, so we can just punch them into our calculator. Just remember to show me what you typed in on your homework. So on this one, pi. What's our radius here?
7.4.
Yes. Squared plus pi. 7.4. Slant height is.
15.
Type it in.
520.
Oh, you're quick. You're way faster than me.
Oh yeah. No, it's plenty. It's probably 520.75 grams.
520.
Yeah.
520.
You put a unit on it.
Oh yeah. Centimeters squared.
Good.
Oh, probably.
All right. Type into the next one, or try the next one, and I'll catch up to you. Type it in your calculator. Be efficient.
The crunch is
Like the top part of the pen is so bad. It's like it's not from. I'm looking so bad. I'm trying to just let it
How do you do?
I didn't square it.
Is that what you got?
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Okay, folks, last thing here. Just like in last chapter, you had composite figures. You can have composite solids, and it's just when you have multiple three-dimensional figures mushed together. So if you want to find the surface area or volume of them, you just break it apart into ones you know how to find. So on this last example here, it says a cylindrical storage building has a base with a radius of 6 feet. The conical roof is 4 feet tall, and the entire building is 12 feet tall. Find the lateral area of the building to the nearest tenth. What do we really want?
Oh, we want the cylinder. So
We just want the cylinder's lateral area.
yeah, so it'd
That's
just be
it.
like find the cylinder, right?
Kind of, but I don't want the bases, so I
Oh,
just
yeah.
want this part.
So it'd just be
So what part is it?
2, 3 squared. No.
You're close. If you
Pi
look at
3.
yesterday's notes, what part was the lateral area of the cylinder?
It's like inside.
Oh, look at your note.
Wouldn't it be the outside?
Let's go.
Would it be the outside?
2 pi RH, that's the lateral portion of a cylinder. That's all we want.
Wait, 6 the whole thing? Because it shows you the whole one.
Yep, 6 is the whole diameter, so what's your radius?
8.
Now what's the height?
8.
Yeah, it's only 8 because this is 4.
Let's go, Mary. Pretty much.
Like 150.8.
Yep.
Alright.
What's the voice part?
Huh?
Now, we gotta do them.
No, right there. This part right there.